this video, you will witness the incredible transformation of a huge underground shelter built by one man with his own hands. Rising step by step with thick insulated concrete forms, this structure transforms from an ordinary excavation into an engineering marvel. This accelerated process from beginning to end will keep your eyes glued to the screen. After the excavation and foundation concrete are completed, a flat platform surrounded by ICF molds emerges. When the concrete is completely dry, the upper structure's carrier system is started. At this stage, wooden beams are carefully placed and the upper section as skeleton is started to be created. The structure as underground carrier lines are thus shaped step by step. As you can see, the insulated formwork is being carefully placed and the structure is gradually rising. The ground is now flat, free of holes and ready for construction. The corner fittings and vertical reinforcement are already in position in preparation for the concrete pour. This stage is a critical building block for both the insulation and the durability of the shelter. Once the walls are complete, one of the most critical stages of the underground shelter begins: waterproofing. All ICF surfaces are covered with special insulation membranes. These flexible and strong layers completely insulate the walls against moisture and groundwater. Risky points such as pipe exits are sealed with extra care. This process is indispensable to ensure the longevity and dryness of the structure. Once the waterproofing is complete, the above-ground preparations begin. The interior is completely sealed and a flat surface is created with wooden panels. This temporary covering both protects the work area and provides a solid platform for the installation of the next floor. At the same time, the surrounding materials and ICF blocks are waiting their turn to be placed. Now everything is ready to build the walls of the upper floor. After the preparations for the upper surface are completed, the concrete pouring phase begins. First, the heating pipes and reinforcement bars are carefully placed. Then the concrete mixer is activated and fresh concrete is poured over the entire surface. While the concrete is being spread, the team is constantly leveling the surface to ensure it is evenly distributed. This layer both forms the upper floor of the structure and completely covers the lower floor, turning the shelter into an insulated box. The interior of the underground shelter is now starting to take shape. The electrical installation has been installed, the walls have been covered, and the interior has been made suitable for living. At this stage, the steel door is also being installed. This door is of great importance both for ensuring security and for creating complete isolation from the outside environment. Shelving systems have been installed, the floor has been completed, and the interior has begun to be organized. This area is no longer just a structure, but has become a functional living space. And here is the finale. This simple yet impressive entrance now opens onto a fully equipped underground bunker, which once covered becomes impossible to find.